Hallo, mach deinen Job. Cool, danke. Das ist einfach nur der Torwächter. Was ist das hier? Ein Fallgitter. Sollen wir mal Fallgitter ansehen? Was gefällt?
Come on, you dogs!
Ein gefälliges Fallgitter. Kann ja mal nicht falsch sein. Jetzt fällt mir nichts mehr ein. Ich esse gern Falafel. Falls es soweit kommt. Guten Tag, ihr Leid. Wir spielen weiter Game of Thrones.
Lord Ethan,
Ah, wir sind wieder bei Ethan. Okay.
as I was saying, you are young. And there are those within these walls who are uncertain of your leadership. But 300 generations of Forester Lords stand behind you. Lord Gerhard the Tall, who founded our house, and your grandfather, Lord Thorin the Bold, who seized back the river valley from the White Hills.
What did they call my father?
Lord Gregor the Good.
Gute.
He was fair and wise, and courageous in battle.
And what will they call me?
Der Junge
That is for
wahrscheinlich.
you to define as the new
okay.
lord. These were your father's people to lead and protect, and now they're yours. But your father did not bear this responsibility alone. He and every Forester Lord before him chose one man whom they trusted above all others, the Lord Sentinel. Forester traditions demand that a new Lord Sentinel must be chosen.
Wer war denn der alte Hüter? Ah, das war wahrscheinlich,
Walk in your cravens.
wie hieß er denn?
Move! Summon the Lord!
Was ist denn hier los?
We need his judgment.
Ich dachte, ich habe jetzt hier mal ein bisschen Ruhe nach der Begegnung mit Cersei in der letzten Folge. Die war schon... Ui. Okay. Wer ist dieser
Lord
Mann?
Ethan. Maester,
Who is this man?
this craven is a deserter and a thief.
This house is doomed!
Ah,
Fucking know it!
Quiet, thief.
okay,
Eric was
gut.
supposed to be guarding our weapons, but instead we caught him stealing them.
2 shields and 3 spears.
You stole from us.
I feared for my life. Yes, my lord. I fled. We should all flee. It's not stealing if you're taking what's yours by right. He speaks true.
Wieso soll das ihm
Family to
gehören?
feed, and not 2 coins to rub together since Lord Gregor left us to rot here. Where's our pay? Our share of bread and wine grows smaller every day.
Leave the poor man
Ey, so leid es mir tut, aber der
Lord
bringt die
Ethan,
Moral
I
mal
know
richtig
these
nach
words are
unten.
hard,
Also,
but they're honest. This house is falling. We'll never survive the coming winter.
We are in this together.
You say that, but it won't be you who's starving come winter.
You'll address him as Lord. Lord Ethan, you must decide the punishment. Lord Gregor always took a thief's fingers. 3 of them.
Now may not be the time for harsh punishment. The men are on edge as it
The men
is.
need to know they cannot do whatever the fuck they please. Their lord will not permit it.
We can send him to the wall.
ja, also, weil er ein Dieb ist, hat der Vater Dieben immer 3 Finger
I will
abgehackt.
decide.
Aber das Problem ist nicht unbedingt, meiner Meinung nach, dass er gestohlen
You
hat.
punish me, you'll be punishing an innocent man. It'll be an injustice,
Ja,
my
wenn ich dich aber nicht bestrafe...
Please, my lord. My family depends on me.
Okay, ich kann ewig... Ich schick ihn zur Mauer. Gnade walten auf keinen Fall. 3 Finger abschneiden, es wäre ein Dieb. Das Problem ist, dass er rumrennt und halt die Moral runterzieht.
I
Und
sentence you to the wall, where you will join the Night's Watch.
Oh, please, my lord! My family, without me, they'll die!
ja, okay, das stimmt.
That was certainly unpleasant, but a lord must mete out punishment when it's due. Not just yourself, of course.
It's a lord's duty, so I did it.
You heard what the thief said. I expect this sort of thing will happen again. But a sentinel can help you in the face of disloyalty. You need someone you can trust by your side. Someone you can rely on, no matter the circumstance. Possessing wisdom and experience.
Who do you think I should choose?
There are two capable men for the role. They both want the job, but neither thinks very highly of the other.
How do I decide between them?
Talk to them. Solicit the opinion of people close to you. Here, the bracer of the Sentinel. The badge of office. Tonight is your first small council meeting. It would be wise to bestow this bracer upon your chosen Sentinel then, to show that you are decisive and in control of this house. Your Sentinel will wear this for all to see.
Thank you for your counsel, Maester.
It is my duty. Come speak with me when you're ready to convene the small council, my lord.
Okay, dann werden wir mal mit den Leuten reden. Also, ich habe jetzt extra nicht nachgefragt, hier, ich könnte dich benennen, weil ich kann den Meister nicht benennen als Wächter oder wie das da heißt. Ey, der hat seinen Job. Und den soll er gescheit machen, der Junge. Wen soll ich denn da ansehen? Ach, da hinten steht er. Komm, da reden wir gleich mal mit ihm, ne? Ein bisschen schneller? Geht das schneller? Ah, guck mal da. Ja, schneller ist hier. So. Was macht er denn? Streichelt er Holz oder was? Komm mal her. Also angesehen habe ich ihn gerade. Dann spreche ich mal mit ihm.
Yes, Lord Ethan. Are you prepared to name your Sentinel?
Nein! Ich habe noch mit keinem geredet. Noch nicht. Sorry,
No,
ich wusste nicht,
I'm
dass
not
ich zu
ready
dir,
just
dass ich zu dem da
Let me
kommen
know
muss.
when you are,
Okay, ja. Okay, dann, was ist denn das da? Turm. Eintreten. Habe ich so ein starkes Bein, dass ich ganze Türme eintreten kann. Lauf doch mal. Komm mal her, ein bisschen schneller bitte. Yes, ne. So, was kann man hier noch? Was ist denn das da? Das sieht aus, als würden da 3 Finger liegen. Wir haben dem doch keine Finger abgehackt, oder was war das da? So, ich guck mich mal. Guck mal da, mein Bruder. Aber Hatschi, mein Bruder. Ich guck dich mal an. Okay, der schnitzt. Er schnitzt von sich weg, das ist schon mal gut. Ja, hast du fein gemacht. Bist ein guter Bruder. Richtig guter. Feinerle bist du, Feinerle. So.
Careful. Keep at it and you won't have much left. Something to pick your teeth with.
No, Ethan. Look at this. All good swords have a name. I call mine Two Brothers. I carved this to give me strength. And this, so I remember. I mean, I could never forget. But, you know, don't you?
Ich glaube,
And
der
what of your
kennt
brother Asher?
Asher
Where's his
gar
name?
nicht wirklich.
There's only 2 sides to the blade.
Also,
Besides, he left, so... Yeah,
man kann
Someday-
Bauch reden.
I'll have a real one. But not like that one. Only a lord could have that sword.
You'll have a good sword. I'm sure of it.
I watched you today. I saw what you did to that man. Was he our enemy? A bad man? Everyone keeps talking about them. Enemies. Talia told me what it means.
Er ist nicht unser
Rules mean
Feind,
nothing if we
aber
don't enforce them. It doesn't matter if he's good or bad. You can't steal. That's a rule.
Well, I say he was bad. Bad men killed Father and Roderick. They need someone to hurt them back. Even worse.
Holla.
I want a real
Okay.
sword. No one's afraid of wood. I'll find the men who took Roderick someday, and I'll make sure I have a real sword when I do.
Nun gut. Kleiner. Ah, guck mal da hinten. Zu dem da will ich. Komm mal her. Oder? Nee, das ist einfach nur die... Hallo, mach deinen Job. Cool, danke. Das ist einfach nur der Torwächter. Was ist das hier? Ein Fallgitter. Sollen wir mal Fallgitter ansehen? Was gefällt?
Come on, you dogs!
Ein gefälliges Fallgitter. Kann ja mal nicht falsch sein. Jetzt fällt mir nichts mehr ein. Ich esse gern Falafel. Falls es soweit kommt. So. Komm, ich guck mir erstmal.
Come on!
Ich will bekannt sein
What did I say?
als
Swords up! Slash right! Parry!
Ethan,
Again!
der Anschauer. Der Beschauliche. Der Anschauende. Keine Ahnung. Ja, hopp, komm. Ist ja gut. Na, kommst du auch her. Ich will mit dir sprechen.
Sword up! Swing left! Parry! Wrong! I didn't know dogs
Wrong.
had
A
swords.
word?
Of course, my lord.
So, was wollen wir ihn denn
I
jetzt
have many
fragen?
decisions to make, and I wanted your advice.
Erstmal ein bisschen quatschen, ne?
What's the state of our defences? Are these men ready for what's coming?
This lot, ready? No, but they will be. We post anyone who can hold a spear along the parapet, up where they won't get much scrutiny, and put our meanest, nastiest looking brutes front and centre. That'll show Ramsay we're a force in our own right. You've got to project power, especially when you're weakened.
Thank you, Sir Royland. I'll let you get back to training these men.
Thank you, my lord. And I'll be sure to watch out for more deserters. After today, I suspect there'll be more to come.
So, du bist einfach nur der Pferdemann? Nee, der ist der Malcolm, der ist mittendrin. Komm, wir gucken mal an. Ich bin ja der Ansehende.
Ethan. Or should I say Lord Ethan?
Hello, Uncle Malcolm.
I saw
Ach,
what
das
you
ist
did
der
today.
Bruder
It's not an easy
der
thing
Mutter.
to do, showing mercy to a man who admits his guilt. But if you'll excuse me, my lord, I should finish packing before nightfall. I hope to be off tomorrow. At first light.
Uncle, why are you packing? You're not going somewhere, are you?
Your mother asked me to cross the narrow sea to find your brother, Asher.
Asher?
She has asked me to return with him, to help the house.
She said nothing of this to me.
Because she fears you will not agree. I told her my place is here, that I'll be of no help to you in Essos. But she insisted. I will hold, of course, until you've spoken with her about this. Just try to be kind to her. She's been living a nightmare made real. But you know that just as well.
She's my mother. Of course I'll be gentle.
I know you will. You're good-hearted, my lord. That is your true strength.
But my mother's fears are not the only ones I face. My people are scared as well. I'm told I must choose a sentinel.
If I may be so bold, Sir Royland is the man for the job. He'd be a
Warum
fine
er?
choice. And I'd trust him.
Why Sir Royland?
We are at war. You need a warrior by your side. Royland has the respect of his men and will bring strength and discipline to this house. Duncan would offer sage advice, but now is not the time to negotiate. Not with the likes of Ramsay Snow.
Thank you, Uncle.
Ethan, I need to talk to you.
Okay. Erstmal mit der Schwester reden. Moment.
Mother told me Mira has asked for Lady Marjorie's help.
Did she?
I knew we could rely on Mira. She always thinks of family above all else. Hopefully Lady Marjorie's influence will be enough. But right now I'm more concerned about you. I saw what you did to that man. I know you told me you'd have to change, but I suppose I hadn't believed you would.
I can't afford any more mistakes. Everyone knows what happened with Lord Whitehill. Garrett being sent to the war without my knowledge.
I know. And that wasn't your fault.
But I'm the Lord. It's my responsibility. The people want me to lead. They need me to, but...
What? Ethan, please.
tell me.
Who should I name as my sentinel?
It should definitely be Duncan Tuttle. He's dependable and smart, and everyone trusts his judgment. Sir Royland is unpredictable and likely to make matters worse.
You've always given me good advice. Thank you.
Okay. So, was ich jetzt sagen wollte. Ich würde auch eher zu Duncan Tuttle tendieren. Alleine schon wegen dem geilen Namen. Tuttle. Nee. Wenn du eh schon in der Minderheit bist und so wie es hieß, ist das Haus Bolton ist deutlich stärker wie mir, dann bringen dir gute Kämpfer nichts, wenn es deutlich zu wenig sind. Da kann vielleicht eine gute Strategie besser sein, als gut draufkloppen. Allerdings gebe ich dem Waffenmeister halt auch recht. Im Moment ist es wirklich so, wir müssen unsere Leute ausbilden. Wir müssen gucken, dass wir fähige Leute kriegen oder haben. Also am besten wären natürlich beide, das ist klar, aber das funktioniert nicht. Jetzt würde ich halt sagen, bei meiner Schwester ist das Problem, ja, warum, sie wäre wohl dafür gewesen, dass ich den Mann, den Dieb, begnadige sozusagen, aber nein, auf keinen Fall. Er hat gestohlen und überall rumgerannt und gesagt, wir werden alle zugrunde gehen, wir werden alle sterben, guck, jetzt begnadigt da auch noch die Leute, die Lusche. Geht halt nicht. So, ich werde jetzt Duncan ein bisschen angucken. Gucke mal dahin, hä? Was macht er denn? Na? Nahrungsmittel ansehen. Also Wutz! Wutz! Da hängt der Wutz!
I made the count again, just to be sure.
How bad is it? How long could we hold the house?
We couldn't withstand a siege, my lord. If the Boltons or the Whitehills cut us off and wait us out, we'd only last a fortnight. But there are steps we can take. In the past, we've demanded food from the small folk to replenish our stores.
Das Volk hat selbst nichts zu essen.
If you'd like. We've done it before in desperate times. The last long winter, my family had to give all our pigs to the house.
No, there must be something else we can do.
Well, I hope we find it soon. We won't have much room to maneuver if we don't have the option of holding fast. I can speak to the huntsmen and trappers. Perhaps they can do more.
Das hört sich auf jeden Fall gut an. Bis er wie dem Volk, was halt wirklich eh schon hungert, es Essen zu klauen. Und auch hier wieder, wenn Bolton kommt. Das Problem ist, zu wenig Leute und man kann nicht mit Ramsay Snow kann man nicht verhandeln. Er ist nicht doof, aber halt, also unberechenbar ist das ja schon fast ein Lob. Ich guck mich mal noch komm, ich frage ihn jetzt erstmal noch so ein bisschen mit ihm labern. Oder ist das dasselbe wie beim Essen? Ja.
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
I have much to consider and face a difficult decision.
Perhaps I can help. Your father often sought my counsel.
Ich frage nach Hütern. Ich frage ihn
As
mal.
Lord, I must name a sentinel.
Of course. And if I may ask, who do you favor for the role? Perhaps I can share my insight. And talking can sometimes help you make a decision.
What do you think of Sir Royland? Do you trust him?
He's a fine warrior, my lord. But he's nowhere near ready to serve as sentinel. I do not trust him. He's likely to lose his temper and get us all killed. And at the worst possible time.
Thank you, Duncan. I appreciate your advice.
Ich will die anderen Fragen auch noch fragen. Darf ich noch mal? Ich laber ihn einfach noch mal an. Hey, hallo, der hier. Armschutz. Achso, jetzt geht nicht mehr. Man kann ihm immer nur eine Frage stellen. Mal ein bisschen schneller. Hier. Achso, nee. Ich frage jetzt mal, Duncan heißt er, glaube ich, was er vom dem guten Tuttle hält. Ein Tuttle. Wo ist er denn? Kollege. Sprechen.
Yes, my lord.
Ich brauche einen Hüter.
I need to name a
Ich will nämlich
sentinel.
ein Hüterspiel
Ah, you
machen.
do?
Es soll ein Wortspiel mit
Good you came
Hütchenspiel
to me.
sein, naja.
I know this house, and everyone here knows me. They know I can hold the reins or wield the sword in equal measure. I'm the man you need. And might I remind you, it was Duncan Tuttle who sent Garin to the wall. He undermined your authority and made you look weak to the Whitehills. I would never do that to you. And if you pardon me saying so, I think your father would be proud.
Your words are wise, Sir Royland.
Thank you, my lord.
I will consider them as I make my choice.
So, when will you declare your decision, my lord?
Tonight, at the small council meeting.
Very good. I trust your judgment, my lord.
Ich habe jetzt aber noch nicht zugesagt, gell? Also, jetzt mach mal halblang, Junge. Auch wenn du einen schönen Rückenpanzer hast. Okay, ja, es ist eine Armschutzplatte geben. Ja, aber ich will die noch gar nicht geben. Ich soll die doch erst heute Abend geben. Warte mal. Ah, hier. So. Kann ich mit ihm nicht nochmal reden? Guck mal her, ich habe mich entschieden und glaube ich. So.
My lord, are you now ready to name your sentinel?
Ja, bin ich.
Yes, Maester. I'm ready.
Very well. I will convene the small council at once.
Hätte ich noch in einen kleinen Turm gekonnt? Also so zum Rumschmökern so? Oder? Ich dachte, wenn ich da reingehe, dann berufe ich den kleinen Rat ein, weißt du? Nun denn. Okay.
You may sit.
I believe Lord Ethan has reached his decision.
Before I name my sentinel, I must tell you. Duncan, Royland, this house needs you both.
But you can only choose one, my lord.
Warum
Let him
eigentlich
be on
nicht
with
zwei? Ja.
Many thought either of you would make a fine sentinel, but I have made my decision.
Mhm. Was ist mit ihr? Achso. Sorry, aber
Duncan
er
Tuttle,
wird's.
you will be my sentinel.
Tuttle! This
Jetzt
is
ist er natürlich
reckless.
angefressen. Ich
Lord
hoffe jetzt
Ethan
nicht.
has made his choice. I will not disappoint you, my lord.
Now, Sentinel, what do you have to report of Ramsay Snow?
Our scouts say he's only a day's ride from here. We've no time to waste.
Who knows what he's capable of? We need to prepare for the worst.
We can handle Ramsay Snow. He doesn't scare me.
Weiß
The
nicht,
Boltons
vielleicht.
need our people to harvest the ironwood. Even the bastard Ramsay must understand that.
He's not coming here to negotiate. We must answer with the sword.
That's bloody suicide. You'd gamble with the lives of everyone within
Denke
these
ich auch,
walls.
dass das kompletter
Ignore
Suizid
Sir
wäre.
Royland. You named me Sentinel. I knew this would happen. He cannot be
This
trusted.
is the bloody small council.
Enough! Would my father have stood for this kind of bickering? Neither will I.
Sir Royland is
gerade
clearly
eine Mücke in die
able and
Nase
ready to
geflogen,
take
glaub ich.
up arms, but the rest of our soldiers are not. We need to take a cunning approach. Diplomacy, can be a sharper instrument than a sword.
The Bolton sigil is a flayed man. Force is the only thing they understand.
Gentlemen, please. Thank the gods Mira has asked Lady Marjorie for her help. It's not too late for the Crown to intervene on our behalf, but we must have a plan if Mira's efforts are not successful. I trust Mira's judgment. I don't doubt she did everything within her power to help us.
Mother,
Ah, ich wollte
what do you
eigentlich
recommend
unten
we
das
do?
wählen.
We
Ah.
must give him whatever he wants and be done with it. It's too dangerous to do otherwise.
Was, wenn er Blut will?
Why not make an offering for peace, my lord?
Yeah, the wisdom of the Citadel.
We can give the Boltons ironwood in exchange for their protection.
You must be mad. It's pure folly to just give away the only currency we have to bargain with.
Enough.
Okay. Kämpfen schließe ich aus. Ich meine, ja, also wir Spieler und so, wir haben gesehen, er hat nur 5, 6 Leute dabei oder so. Aber das wissen sie nicht und ich weiß auch nicht, ob das wirklich nur 4, 5 Leute waren. Verhandeln, er hat recht, wenn er sagt, wir können... Also... Diplomatie ist das, was der Meister... Die werden verhandeln.
Maester Ortengrin has swayed me.
Was?
We will offer the Boltons a share of the ironwood, and we will
Also
promise
ich
our
dachte, er
people
hätte das
to harvest
gesagt.
it, thus securing their safety.
As Sentinel and Castellan, I must warn against this. You may do this for some gain now, but in the end, it will starve this house.
If we don't, there may be no House Forrester at all.
If you aren't ready for a fight, you're bound to lose when one breaks.
Natürlich sind wir trotzdem auf den Kampf gefasst. Es ist ja nicht so, dass wir...
Ethan has
Also,
made his opinion known, and you will respect his decision.
habe ich mal wieder nicht aufgepasst, ne? Also,
Forgive us, my lord.
war schon
We
richtig,
are,
was
of
ich
course,
machen
here
wollte.
to serve
Ich
you,
dachte nur,
as
der
we
Vorschlag wäre
said
von
to
ihm
father.
gekommen.
Aye.
Well then, let's decide how we shall set the stage for Ramsay's arrival.
We could offer him the ironwood in the courtyard.
My lord, making this kind of offer outright may simply embolden Ramsay. There could be trouble, and all the house will be there to see it. Meet him in the hall. It will be more private, and he will not have an audience to play
Das ist ein
against you.
guter Tipp.
Lord Ethan?
I will meet him in the Great Hall.
A wise move, my lord.
It's careless. Can't you see Tuttle is steering you wrong?
That's enough, Royland. Lord Ethan has given his command.
How many years have I served this house? I cannot listen to that
Das habe ich mir schon so halb gedacht, dass er ausflippt und eventuell
you are not ready to be lord of this house. You're
überläuft.
likely to get us all killed.
Not another word.
Your father would not approve, my lord.
Apologies, my son. I had expected better of him. But now that it is settled, we know what we must do. You will meet Ramsay Snow in the Great Hall.
And we will offer the ironwood, providing a safe future for this house.
And don't worry, Lord Ethan. I will stand beside you, where your sentinel belongs.
Then perhaps we should adjourn. We have to prepare the house.
Ist halt nicht gut, dass wir jetzt
There
ohne
will always be those who
Waffenmeister
question your
dastehen.
leadership, which is why you need allies you can rely on. Family. Mira has done everything she can in King's Landing, but there are others who can help us. What about your brother, Asher?
Malcolm told me. You want to bring him back.
He's a skilled fighter. But what's more, he has the will to fight. A hunger for it. He always protected you and your sister. And we need all the help we can get.
Why would you bring him back after you exiled him?
He exiled himself. He has no desire to rule. Asher is volatile, but that is his strength too. Do you remember the miller's boy? How he tormented you? I wanted to intervene, but your father said Ethan must fight his own battles. But when Asher saw it, he didn't take a breath. He grabbed the miller's boy by the neck. That was his first instinct. Asher knocked out half the poor boy's teeth. Of course, your father was furious, but you were in danger and there was nothing else Asher needed to know. Asher does not hesitate. He acts, and we need that. You have many fine qualities, but you do not have that anger inside you. It's something we could use. You're a thinker, Ethan. You contemplate, and a lord needs that. But a lord also needs swords.
Ja, das stimmt. Aber
I'm trying to do what's best for this family. What this family needs. Ethan, let me send Malcolm to Essos.
Fine. Malcolm will go to Essos and bring Asher back.
Thank you, Ethan. I'm glad you will let me do this. Know that you never stand alone. You are a Forrester. Mira stands with us, and she may be able to help us yet.
es ist noch nicht sicher, ob sie uns helfen kann. Ja, komm. Das sind wir ja. Rechtsklick, um zurückzugehen. Wohin soll ich denn zurückgehen? Seltsamer Schlüssel. Gucken wir uns erstmal den Schlüssel an, oder? Der ist aber seltsam. Was haben wir hier? Tyrell Familiensiegel. Ist noch was? Ist eine Feder? Nee. Ach so. Was soll ich dann den Schlüssel nehmen? Ich weiß gar nicht, für was der gut ist. Das werde ich garantiert nicht machen. Ich werde nicht das Familiensiegel nehmen und den Brief oder sowas quasi damit unterzeichnen, weil... Aber was ist das? Ich meine, wir sind hier in einem Adventure, ne? Ein Point-and-Click-Adventure, trotz allem. Da muss man ja irgendwie sich Sachen, irgendwas muss man ja nähen. Also nehme ich natürlich den Schlüssel jetzt. Keine Ahnung, was das ist. Keiner geguckt? Nimm den Schlüssel. Ich will es aber nochmal extra fragen. Das ist ja aber fies. Ich war jetzt fest entschlossen, den Schlüssel zu nehmen, aber wenn sie nochmal fragen... Komm. Zack. Steck ihn dir in die Tasche. So, jetzt hier. Ein seltsamer Schlüssel. Ich weiß halt nicht, wie das da funktioniert, wie man das nehmen kann. Das wird wohl für eine seltsame Tür sein. So, das reicht jetzt hier. Rechtsklick, um zurückzugehen. Moment, wo ist denn der Rechtsklick an meinem geilen Controller? Hier, zack.
Marjorie?
Nee, das ist nicht Marjorie.
Lady Marjorie is still with the king. I thought you'd want to know.
Thank you.
Mira, look. The other day when you asked Lady Marjorie for help, I only spoke out of fear for her. I want to help you if there's anything I can do. Your poor family. I can't imagine how you must feel.
Please don't repeat what you heard to anyone.
Of course. I never would. Lady Marjorie is always saying how important friends and allies are in King's Landing. Just know, I will be here for you if you ever... My lady, I'll leave you to talk.
Are you all right, my lady?
The king was not inclined to offer help for your family. I'll need this mended.
Gods.
He said I was too easily swayed. And he reminded me that I am not yet his wife. I allayed his fear. For now. But it will be a long time before I can ask him for anything again. Nothing I said could cheer him. He wouldn't even speak to me when I left him.
What can I do to make this better, my lady?
There's nothing you can do, Mira.
Understand, it was my mother's plan, not mine.
Ja.
I just hope you can find some way to forgive me.
This is simply not how things are done, Mira. Not in King's Landing.
I'm sorry, my lady.
Soon I will be queen, and maybe then I'll be in a better position to help you. But for now, we must both be cautious.
I must send a raven. I have to warn my family. If you'll excuse me, my lady.
Milady.
Hm? Das ist der Kohlejunge.
I hope I didn't frighten you.
How long have you been waiting there?
Not long. I was just passing by when I saw you emerge from Lady Marjorie's room.
Hm?
I hope you saw. I was right before. About Lady Marjorie and Queen Cersei.
Ja, okay.
I just want you to know, I can help you if you'd like. And your family.
Wie den Kohlejunge.
I hear all sorts of things. Things that could be useful for you.
How can you help me? My problems can't be solved by what you might overhear.
Which is why you must trust me, milady. You need allies.
Ja, aber wie kann ich einem vertrauen? Also Verbündeter, also...
I really must go.
Please don't despair. I know people who... People who'd be willing to help you.
Das ist doch einer von den Spatzen da, von dem Pfarrerfuzzi da. Hallöle. Ja, dann würde ich auch mal sagen, oha.
Where's Sir Royland? He should be here.
Den Bolton, den heben wir uns für morgen auf, weil das wird auch nochmal eine schwere Geburt. Bis morgen, wenn Ramsay Bolton kommt. Tschüss.